Hi and welcome. Welcome to August's energy update. And wow, August brings in a really beautiful energy now. The energy is so sacred for the feminine at the moment. Now, I want to also make you aware that you are going to start to feel in a very strong way the divine masculine's energy come in. And remember what I always talk about when that energy comes in, because remember, twin flames are this energetic frequency. You hold the same soul signature, the same soul essence. When you align, your chakras vibrate, and your chakras are your life force portals. They vibrate at exactly the same soul frequency. When you look into the eyes of your divine masculine, you are seeing your own God essence coming straight back at you. What is God essence? God essence, we're led to believe that God is a man that is there to judge, but actually God is omnipresent. God is the vibration of love. And God is in the mountains, the oceans, the birds, the bees, you, me. He is omnipresent. He is in everything. But you and your divine counterpart, your frequency, your God essence frequency vibrates at exactly the same soul frequency. That is why the eyes are activating on this journey. That is why one soul recognition has happened and the energy becomes too powerful for you to hold together after that bubble love phase. Why divine masculine struggles to look at you, why they will make up excuses, why they can't meet face to face, or they can't do video call, or they distract, they try not to look into the eyes of the feminine, because as they look into the eyes of the feminine, they see their own truth, they witness their own truth coming straight back at them. Also, the throat is an activation on this journey. But this month, divine masculine is feeling that energy. And as they start to feel that energy, what do? Yes, they peacock it. They peacock the energy. They want to, whether it is just energetically or in the physical, they will want to call back in the divine feminine. Because remember, the divine feminine feels like something so whole, so complete, but it scares them. They are scared by what comes straight back at them because it is their own energy, it is their own truth. It scares them. So, this month, you will start to feel their energy. And remember, on this journey, the energy is always felt before we see them in the physical. Now, when we feel the divine masculine's energy, that is not a time for you to react. Most divine feminines, when they start to feel the masculine's energy, they want to reach out. This is not a time for that. This is a time that you come into your sovereignty, divine feminine. Remember, August is a real beautiful cusp energy. The activation codes. And I want to remind you that this isn't just about love and romance. This is far bigger. This is a remembering. This is a powerful activation that happens between the masculine and the feminine. But you, as the divine feminine, you are not there to chase the divine masculine. You are not there to react to the energy. You are there to hold your sovereignty. You are the priestess. And I often talk about, I've talked about especially the last few days, Mary Magdalene frequency. That is very active at the moment. Why is Mary Magdalene frequency really active at the moment? Because it reminds us to step into our priestess frequency, our goddess frequency. Remember, these are the goddess and God codes. These are activating deep down within the soul vibration. And these activated the light frequency and the ley lines. And so there is so much more going on here. There is way bigger. The calling, the remembering within you is so deep. It is soul level deep. It is not for you to react out of mind and ego. This activation happens so you can remember the human self, but also the divine essence that you hold within you. And so just like, look at that beautiful clear quartz, just like clear quartz, it is about you having that clarity of mind, staying really true to your heart chakra, not allowing breadcrumbing, not allowing the divine masculine to come back in, to peacock the energy, only then to leave and then leaving you crumbled on the floor. No. This is about you holding the frequency. Now, tomorrow, we start a brand new 30 days detox, surrender, and balancing frequency. It is our boot camp. We go for 30 days. Every day for 30 days, I support you through getting out of that crazy, painful energy, coming into that sovereignty, coming in. So when divine masculine peacocks the energy, you don't react straight away. Because through August, there is going to be big heart activations. When they feel that heart activation, they're not ready. They're not ready fully to step out. They're not ready to reclaim, their divine essence, but they will peacock the energy. Now, you as the feminine, when you feel that energy, you will want to react. That energy will oscillate. Listen to the tincture bells. It will oscillate through your vibration. Now, it could take a few hours, a few days. It may even be a week or more where you feel triggered. You feel this big emotional pull. Remember, the divine masculine's energy always comes back in, and it will be coming back in August before they are ready to shift. You, as the divine feminine, is about holding the energy, holding the frequency. Don't react to it. Hold your own balanced frequency. Step into your sovereignty. And remember, when I'm talking about divine feminine, I'm not talking about how you identify in the physical. This is all about energy and frequency. And if you are that chasing energy, if you are that divine feminine that wants to fix, that wants to share your love and save divine masculine has to save themselves. But first, they will step into that void energy. As that heart chakra activates through August, they will feel that aloneness, that void, that they have to sit in. For within that, they see the truth. Within that darkness, they are then shown, well, they have no option but to find the light. And where is the light? The light is held by the goddess, by their divine feminine. So you, divine feminine, through August is about what is aligning with soul. Where am I holding my frequency? Yes, I am feeling that pull, but I'm going to stand in my light, in my power, and not react to it. If you're ready to shift on this journey, starting tomorrow, we have 30-day bootcamp. Every single day, I show you how to shift on this journey, how to detox, how to fully surrender, how to get out of that crazy, toxic, looping energy of searching, trying to find the answers. We stop that and we come into sovereignty. Remember, this journey is not like soulmates. It's nothing about soulmates. This is an activation, and the soul does the work on this journey. If you approach the journey from the mind and ego, you'll stay in separation. The soul is what magnetizes it in, and it is divine feminine sitting in soul. If you're ready to shift, come along to my website. Much love.